Hey YouTube scrappers, just out in the garage sorting some stuff out. I think I showed you guys this before, but here's a tote full of transformers. There's more transformers over there, so we start sorting them. And a bunch of those I sorted out. Those little motors. These little motors here that I found, I got a bucket and started the second one. My wire. A bunch of things I can sort out here. There's fan motors. There's my RAM. I've got a barrel full of stuff and a half full. So this is what I'm trying to get at. There's a tote full of fan motors again. And I found some old boards back in the back, so I gotta look at that. Big old motor right there. I gotta take it apart. And then there's a whole whack of motors in here. I don't know if move stuff. Slowly trying to get organized and trying to get stuff out. So as you can see, there's a fair amount of motors. Hopefully they're copper. And then this tote here, it goes way back in there and it's filled with motors too. There's a nice one right there. No cash register. Right down there underneath that tote, right there is a brass copper. I think it's a heater core out of an old Chevy too. Take that apart. I might take these crates to the next auction. That one, that one. Some more little bits of stuff that needs to be looked after. Some nice little things. There's some brass keys. Gotta go through that. There's some copper and brass stuff in there. Still things that I've been neglecting that I'm finally getting to. These here are out of LED TV, flat screen televisions, like plasmas and stuff like that. Because some of them, it has the copper backing on it, so see what my yard gives me for that. Second, I'm gonna put my glove back on. My hands are getting cold. Almost time to go inside and get warmed up. There's another pail full of tools and stuff. That's got some nice brass on it. I gotta peel that plastic off somehow. Another pail full of stuff. I gotta get that. I gotta sort that box out and move that out of the way. And then I've been throwing stuff here on my bench. And that there can go into that pail. I had a person give me two Shaw Direct TV things. Oh, I found a couple of knives I'm going to see if I can use to cut these motors apart. So, yeah, I'll see how that works out. I threw something over here and it bounced and went into my shred pile that I didn't want it to go. I don't want that to go in the shed. Some batteries I just picked up. Anyway, so the brass pail's coming up. That's my copper. I'll dump it over there. I'll dump it over there in that tote down there. My number one prepared steels. I gotta dump that out in the barrel. Motherboards, mid and high grade boards, and then all the new keyboards I'll be sending to auction. Yep. That's more stuff. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. We'll see you on the next one.